What's up, everybody? Today we check out the Farm Simulator 19 and 2022 button pack from Icon City. Let's get started. First off, this icon pack includes 196 different icons and a pre-made profile for a 32-key Streamdeck to make setup super easy. Although if you do have a different model or want to set up your own profile, you will need to set this stuff up manually within the Streamdeck software. This can be tedious and would take some time, but may be worth it in the end. The icons are a nice minimalistic design styled with a white text or an icon backed by a dark gray background, with some exceptions for when things are toggled on and off, making them easy to see at a glance. We have buttons for entering and exiting vehicles, engine start, cruise control, changing different lights, loading and unloading different types of things, or even hiring workers. We also have buttons for game settings. Here we can speed up, slow down, or pause time, open up the shop, and look at the crop stocks. We also have controls for different camera angles and buttons to access the different build menu items. There are tons of different buttons in this pack and would take quite some time to cover each one. Overall, this has been a really handy icon pack to have. Everything is well organized into the appropriate folders, and I've certainly enjoyed them a lot since it provides another use case for my Stream Deck. So just to end this video, as always, with a few final thoughts. Overall, I've absolutely loved this button pack. It's been a great addition to my Stream Deck. However, I would like to see them add a profile for each model of the Stream Deck or the Loupedeck, because I think adding those types of profiles adds extra value, especially if someone is new to these systems and may not know how to organize or sort things yet. The cost is acceptable, from $5 to $28, just depending on what type of pack you're doing, but it's perfectly acceptable with the number of icons and time that go into each pack. Other than that, these icons were exactly what I was looking for, so thank you again for Icon City for letting me showcase one of their sets, and I will certainly be picking up more of them. That is going to wrap it up for this review. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. The links to the packs will also be below, and while you're down there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.